Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We are back checking out RENOGY's new Rover Lite 60 amp MPPT solar charger. I think this is one of the most perfect size MPPTs, whether you're just getting into this or if you're already experienced. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. Get an additional discount on top of the sale that's already going on right now. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get over to this page, get that deal, help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So we got the Rover Lite. This is 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, 48 volt, 60 amp MPPT solar charge controller. Now what that means is that this can output at 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, or 48 volt at 60 amps. So depending on what kind of battery system you have, you can actually generate even more electricity. So if you have 12 volt batteries, this is going to put out at 12 times 60 amps, which isn't bad. That is a lot of power, and this can handle up to 150 volts. And if you upgrade later to 48 volt, you can definitely get a lot of solar power out of this MPPT. So the max is 150 volt PV input. You got the low temperature protection, which is real nice to have, protect your battery. Full load operation up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. These do really operate in high temperature very well. You get 2-year warranty, and these are fully certified. 85% lower self-consumption. Superior heat dissipation. With the internal potting, this MPPT solar charge controller enhances heat transfer to the external metal heat sinks, preventing overheating and ensuring efficient charging. This advanced design in this MPPT controller kit guarantees reliable performance, making it an ideal MPPT for optimal energy management. Maximize efficiency with exceptional value. This 60 amp charge controller delivers 99% MPPT tracking efficiency and 97% conversion efficiency, maximizing your solar power output big time. With these high performance features at an affordable price, it offers exceptional value for budget conscious users. This is a really nice model. It's low pro, it gets the job done. So 85% lower self-consumption. Let's talk about that. With an ultra low self-consumption of just 0.18 watts in 12 volt systems, significantly lower than the 0.7 watts of most other charge controllers. This MPPT solar controller ensures that most of your solar power goes directly to charging your batteries, maximizing that solar power that you're getting in. You can store up to 2 years of data using the Rover Lite 60 amp charge controller with the BT2 Bluetooth module to monitor and store up to 2 years of data, giving you the easy access to historical records and system adjustments. And I really do like the DC Home app. It's one of my favorite apps to use. And you got simple controls and clear info. That's what I really like about this too. It does have simple controls on it, very easy to use and understand. Features intuitive built-in buttons and a clear LCD screen. This solar controller lets you quickly access and monitor real-time charging information at a glance. Stable performance in changing temperatures. Now, you're going to be varying in temperatures, especially when you're running systems like this. They might get really cold or really hot depending on where you're going to be traveling. This MPPT solar charge controller maintains full load operation up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Features low temperature protection below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, helping to prevent damage to your LFP batteries during cold weather charging. And this is a dependable solar charger. It's a reliable companion for every journey, ensuring optimal performance regardless of the temperature fluctuations. This is why I would recommend it if you got an off-grid build, overlanding setup, or anything like that. So if you're looking for a good deal on this, feel free to take advantage of the discounted price while it lasts. Use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that, or any other products from RENOGY. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.